Hold me, I will come right into your arms. I will respond to you. Respond.